In this video, we're doing the most gorgeous all-natural wash day. This is why I haven't used store-bought shampoo and conditioner in months. We are doing natural hair care on the highest level, making all the products from scratch. Let's get into it. Sanibonani Ninjani, it's Zinhle Africa. Welcome and welcome back to everybody. We're finally doing the black soap shampoo and I am so excited. I have used black soap before, but it was so harsh. Alone, I definitely think it's really harsh. But when you make it into a shampoo, you can make it a little bit more gentle and you can cater it to you and the needs of your hair a little bit better. The benefits of the African black soap is that it is non-irritating, it's all natural, nothing funny, so it's not going to irritate you. It encourages hair growth, antifungal, antibacterial, really cleansing, even clarifying, scalp exfoliating, scalp soothing, it's moisturizing, and it's easy to apply and easy to rinse out. The foam on this is unbelievable. Can't wait for you to see it. I use really basic recipes when I want to understand all of the ingredients in the actual formula. So next time I will definitely put all my favorite oils and all my favorite herbs in this, but I really wanted the black soap to shine and for me to really see what it has to offer. I then added olive oil, which has its benefits. I also added glycerine, which also has its benefits. Feel free to pause and look at all of the benefits as well. So it's just, this shampoo is already packing a punch. The benefits are out of this world. And at this point, I'm very confident, but I'm also scared. But thankfully, it all worked out because you're about to see the wash day. Now for the actual washing of the hair, I did only 2 rounds of shampoo on each section of my hair. And I found that it was actually better to apply it directly to the scalp and the hair than on my hand first. After my experience with this black African soap shampoo, I am definitely going to stick to it. Obviously upgrade the recipe, but definitely stick to it. And when I make these products, I'm not making them so I can make a different shampoo the next week. I'm making products that I can use years from now. This shampoo is definitely it for me. It is lacking nothing and it's such a basic recipe. So I can't imagine when I add all my favorite things and I really play with the formulation, it's going to be absolutely amazing. But I'm very happy with this and 10 out of 10 would recommend.
Drugs, I'm ready to fly, no drugs. Pull up, if I'm on your mind, pull up above. When you come inside in us, I am baptized, I am alive again. Give me new life, take me to heaven. When it feels right, that's that ascension. Never go back to when we before you forgot my worth. Your love for me feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high, wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours, I just wanna make you mine. Before you forgot mine. Enough. I've waited as long as I've lived. Thumbs up. Come get with yours and what's real. Boot up. Blissful in each other's skin above. Finally risen to the occasion. Past love's forgiven. Made heart space for the one. When it feels right, that's that ascension. Never going back to when. Before you forgot my worth, your love for me feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high, wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours, I just wanna make you mine. Forgot my worth, your love for me feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high, wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours, I just wanna make you mine. Why don't you just stay in my arms tonight? Why don't we press pause on the fights we had? Oh, won't you just let me hold you so tight? We need to stop this bleeding. Whatever we think is wrong, who cares? It's just not right. Seeing things from all these angles, we waste our time. Talking about everything just messes up our minds. Tapping out, leaving this now. 'Cause whatever, forever. Da 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 da. Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming hope.
Chebe has entered the building. Chebe powder is here and I'm so excited. We've been talking about it. And let me tell you something. If this hair doesn't grow, I don't know what will. We have the Chebe powder and we are going to be using Karka oil as a conditioner. I'm going to be just deep conditioning. I will get into more detail in the next video about this, but I just wanted to show you a few of the benefits here and there. I don't use traditional conditioner anymore because I just don't have to. There are so many natural ingredients that do better than anything else that I will find in the store. So I am still committed to making sure that I have the best products available for my hair. No more terrible, harsh chemicals for me. I want my hair to absolutely thrive. Make sure that you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Other than that, love, light, and blessings to you. Bye.